In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create slides and add shapes, icons, and text. First, start by clicking on Create. This opens a fresh project, so you're starting with a clean canvas. If you don't see the button right away, look toward the top or left side of your editor. Once you click it, you're in the right place to begin building your presentation. Next, choose Slides. This selects the slide format, which is perfect for presentations, lessons, or quick overviews. You can begin with a blank slide for full control, or pick a simple layout if you prefer a head start. Remember, you can always adjust the layout later, so don't overthink this part. Now that your slide is open, you can see elements here. The Elements panel typically lives in a sidebar and gives you quick access to visual building blocks. If there's a search bar, use it to find what you need faster. Browsing through categories is also helpful for discovering shapes, icons, lines, and more. Think of this area as your toolkit for designing. From the elements, you can add shapes. Drag a rectangle, circle, triangle, or any shape onto the slide. Resize using the corner handles and rotate if needed to create direction or emphasis. Try adjusting the fill color and outlines to match your theme. If you want consistent spacing, align shapes to each other or center them on the slide. Holding the Shift key while resizing often keeps proportions locked, which helps circles stay perfectly round. You can also add icons. Icons are great for communicating ideas quickly without a lot of text. Search for keywords like education, business, or arrow to find relevant symbols. Place an icon just like a shape, then tweak its size and color so it's readable and consistent. Keep your icon style unified. Mixing too many different styles can look messy. High contrast colors make icons easier to see at a glance. Now, add text. Choose a heading for your main message and a smaller body style for details. Type directly onto the slide and adjust font, size, alignment, and spacing to improve readability. Keep lines short and clear, and make sure there's enough contrast between text and background. If your background is busy, consider placing text on top of a subtle shape for clarity. Finally, you can write and refine your message. Keep it concise, use clear language, and highlight key points. Read it aloud to check the flow, and make small tweaks to spacing and alignment for a polished professional look. That's it. You've created a slide with shapes, icons, and text in a clean, structured way.